I know we talk a lot about dogs and all the problems here, but what?
Louder.
Louder. Okay. Um, but there is one little bit of grace in all of this, and it's right here. This is the Gazira Club.
The Gazira Club, and 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday. Oh boy, there goes Murphy. Murphy's found himself a playmate already. And we've got these kids over here. They've got a mean, nasty Rottweiler chained down. No. But it's a great place. Hey, Champ. Champ, how you liking the Gazira Club? Champion. Woo. Oh, yeah, nice dog.
What's
Yeah.
the name of this breed?
It's Standard Poodle. I saw him last weekend, I think. No?
Yeah, I think it's Bungie.
Bungie. Oh, another Bungie. Okay. This place is great.
Bergen, here's her Egyptian counterpart.
Whoa, look at him go. Yeah. The Egyptian Bergen.
That would be Bergen's pal right there.
Yeah. Good boy or girl.